In this video, we'll look at the process for installing the 1-inch round clamp when you need to use the reduction sleeves. So this tube here is 7/8 inch. There's no 7/8 inch round clamp. So what we do is we apply these reducer sleeves around the frame of the chair and then install the 1-inch round clamp over top. So I'll remove the bolts from the frame clamp. The smaller side is the inner side of the clamp, so I'll place that on the back side. And then we have the outer side with the grooved metal. I'll then begin to thread the bolts back in. And then use the red T-handle wrench to get those nice and snug. Just want to make sure when you tighten these that they're tightened evenly on both sides. That way you get the best connection with the frame of the chair. Once that's installed, you're ready to move on to the next step of your mount installation.